First, you'll need to download the mobile app by visiting the Google Play or Apple App Store and searching Nomi. Then select the plus button in the top right hand corner and select New Invoice. Your invoice number will automatically be populated, but you can enter a reference number, select a customer and select a bank. Then you can select your invoice date and due date. And then finally, you can add as many line items to this invoice as you like. You can then save and send or save and send later. The invoice can then be viewed anytime by selecting Sales at the bottom of the app.